What if I told you that in 2025, your phone can be your full-time income source? No laptop, no fancy gear, just your phone and the right apps. Here are 5 legit ways to start making money with your phone, starting today. Let's jump in. Method 1, get paid to watch and rate videos. First up, Swagbucks Watch, Inbox Dollars, and CashKick. These apps actually pay you to watch these short videos, trailers, and ads, then rate them. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's the easiest way to earn a few bucks daily just by tapping your screen. Method 2, create and post faceless TikToks. TikTok is still booming in 2025, and you don't even have to show your face. Create videos with AI voiceovers, stock footage, and trending audio using apps like CapCut and Canva, all from your phone. Add affiliate links to your bio, and boom, watch commissions roll in when your video goes viral. Method 3, sell AI art or quotes on Etsy. Use your phone and AI art apps like Wonder or Leonardo. AI to generate beautiful designs. Then use the Etsy seller app to list and sell your digital products, wall art, printable quotes, or phone wallpapers. Each sale is passive income you earn while you sleep. Method 4, use ChatGPT Mobile to freelance smarter. Download the ChatGPT app, take client requests on Fiverr or Upwork, and use AI to generate everything from email copy to product descriptions on the go. You can literally respond to clients, create content, and deliver work, all from your phone. Method 5, get paid for surveys and user feedback apps like UserTesting, Dscout, and YouGov pay you for your opinion. Record short answers, test apps, or complete surveys while lying in bed. Simple, flexible, no technical skills needed. So there you have it, 5 legit ways to make money using nothing but your phone in 2025. Which method are you going to try first? Comment below. I'm reading all of them. And don't forget to subscribe for more no BS ways to earn online every single week.